Now we will talk about the modal verb can. The can be used, can be spoken in passive form as well. Let me make it clear first that whenever you speak passive voice, always speak the third form of verb. So when you need to speak possibility, ability or something like this and permission with can, then speak be after can and then speak the third form of verb. For example, this work can be done later, means it's possible to do this work later. It's not necessary to do it right now. So this work can be done later. In the same way, let's take another example. This house can be cleaned in the morning. This work can be completed in 5 minutes, means it's possible to complete this work in 5 minutes. And the meal can be eaten in 10 minutes. The car can be washed in 20 minutes. So all these things can be done in a limited time or any time. But I did not mention the person who can do these things. I don't care whoever can do, but I can say just this thing, this action can be done in this time or that time or in this way or that way. Alright, so because it's a passive sentence, I didn't mention the subject in the beginning of the sentence. Okay, you can make more examples to practice can in passive form. Thank you.